My name is Frew with BioBuzz Networks. I'm joined today by Brian Jamieson, founder and CEO of Diagnostic Biochips. Brian, welcome.
Yes.
As a start, tell us a little bit about about your company and what you do.
Sure. We are a 12-year overnight success story. So we kicked off the business here in Maryland, as I said, 12 years ago in 2013. And we are a company that produces tools, models for preclinical drug discoveries.
I love that 12-year overnight success story. The truth of how most of
Different than the perception.
Well, as a starting point, so develop stem cell models, organoids, and other tools. How do researchers and companies use those in their life cycle or in their research?
Sure, great question. Clinical trials in the drug space are expensive. They impact people. You want to make sure you're making good things. So the notion of bedside translation is really important. Make sure you're advancing the right to those clinical trials, where we preclinical tests is to work on the bench and secure that efficacy and safety of drugs. Good So we use stem cell models and instrument we developed to really scan advanced drugs in the
Are you predominantly focused on neuroscience?
We have. That's really the company DNA or history. This has been, we started out in the more basic research space in neuroscience. So that was led really into drug discovery, science, and essential processes.
We evolved for ecosystems, especially as bridge in neuroscience. Optics is one of the world leaders in neuroscience research. We have programs like Neurotech Harbor, lots of companies in the neurotech space. What's it been like for you growing your company here in this ecosystem?
It's amazing. In addition to the fact that this center, but also a great initiative, which was really largely government-driven, obviously nationwide. So they did have a large central events here in metropolitan DC and Maryland area in terms of recruiting people, finding people, partnering, and fully persist that emerging biotech. So it's pretty amazing.
Ecosystems are important, especially for entrepreneurs of your journey, right? Tell us about TEDCO and other resources in Maryland that have been a big part of your journey and how valuable.
So there have been, TEDCO's a great example. Meta-analysis very shortly after it launched and really provided pretty, like I said, encouraging. Everybody funds company or what's right funding, others it comes with strings attached, and for us, we're getting what they needed of the TEDCO funding. No strings attached. Use those seals off that too.
They offer a violent
and then more recently,
looking at
stem cell. Also, the state of Maryland has been supported interim this fall. So we have a lot of resources.
Tell me a little bit about what excites you about your field right now. And there's a lot of advancements. We're seeing organoids push a lot. In fact, there's a new federal organoid center in Frederick, which was just launched at National Labs. So tell me some things that are really exciting for you and as you're building a company in the future.
It's a little bit of a dry spell, and then specifically in the drug development space, how well affected by this. Someone who has the disease, and previous advancements have not been as quick as in some other areas. This sort of revolution we see happening in stem cells is really driving renaissance.
And tell us what's next for Diagnostic Biochips.
So, it's a big month. It's a big month. We're rolling out our first stem cell instrument, automated analysis next month. The Society for Parkinson Systemic Neuroscience Conference. It's a big month. Pre-sales and data customers, but really this is going on in treating. Put our product out there in the market. She likes it. People really appreciate it.
Congratulations, that's an exciting month.
I don't know.
Especially on the emerging business.
Yes.
Tell me, so I guess, what would you say to other entrepreneurs in the neurotech space, especially, you said there's almost like a coming of the time right now in this sector. What would you say to other entrepreneurs that are looking to get into this space or building a company, especially about doing so in Maryland?
Yeah, Maryland is a great place to do business. When we moved here, my wife and I, we had a classic two-body problem. She's a physician, and economically, Maryland is booming. And it's a great place to start. Because having those people look at there's a great place to get employees, to create a customer base, or thriving biotech system. Generally, that's exactly.
Brian, thank you for all you do, and congratulations on the recent product launch. Appreciate you sitting down with us today. Great.
Thanks for having me.
My name is Frew. I'm recording today live at the 2025 TEDCO Expo. Thank you.